Hair system DIY here, doing a video for Newlacecu, where I get my hair systems from. So I've been asked to do a short Q&A, basically asking viewers what they want to know about wearing a hair system from Newlacecu, and answering them on camera. So I've got through a few questions here that I'm going to answer. There are 6 of them, possibly 7. So I'm going to ask the question to the camera and then I'll answer it myself, okay? So, just as a heads up, right now I'm wearing a Swiss lace system. I'm over 2 months into it. It's still in great condition. It's still ultra soft, nice, dense, hardly loses any hair. So that's really good. Also, before I get going, don't forget 20% discount on your first Newlace system. Just type in Newlacecu20 with a capital N in the coupon code box on newlacecu.com when you're making your order. So, to the questions. Number 1, how many times can I use this system? Now, with a Swiss lace, the average lifespan is about 3 to 6 months, sometimes a bit longer. But remember guys, a lot of it comes down to how well you take care of the system. So with me, I am very careful with my systems. I do condition them twice a week, I shampoo them once a week, and I use a leave-in conditioner every day. And this, without doubt, adds longevity to your system. I expect to get about another 3 to 4 months out of this. I've already had it on for 2 months. It's a 2-month-old system. I expect to get another 3 to 4 months out of it. So around 5 to 6 months overall. Question 2, is it strong? This is a really good question. Now, no hair system is made of steel. They all have their vulnerabilities and their weaknesses. However, with a Swiss lace, it's certainly stronger than a thin skin poly system. But it's not as strong as a monofilament or a French lace system. It's about weighing up the pros and cons, guys. With a Swiss lace, it's light, it's airy, and it's comfortable to wear. But it's not as strong as a French lace or a monofilament. It is, however, a lot more comfortable. So it's up to you guys. Depends on really what you're looking for. Are you looking for comfort? Are you looking for strength? Are you looking for density? Are you looking for duration? It's really important to ask yourself all of these questions before deciding which base hair system you want to go for. Question 3, can I go swimming? Yes. Actually, a big, fat hell yes. I go swimming in my system, I have no problems. I would, however, say don't go swimming every day because the chlorine in the swimming pool is likely to take the pigment out of your hair and it might go slightly auburn, slightly orange, and you might have to get it re-dyed or get a new system. So yes, you can go swimming, but what I would say is don't go all the time. Once a week should be fine, even twice a week. What I would say is use a really good leave-in conditioner and always spray it right after you go into the swimming pool. If you can find a leave-in conditioner that is waterproof, do it beforehand and it will protect your hair. Always make sure as well that you keep conditioning your hair to make sure that it doesn't oxidize and it doesn't lose that pigment. I think a lot of people are probably worried that if I go swimming it's going to come off. That will not happen, guys. I can guarantee you. Even with the water-based adhesives, your hair system will not come off in water. These glues, these tapes, they are specifically chemically engineered to be waterproof because they're engineered to deal with rain. They're engineered to deal with having a bath, a shower, and so they're engineered for you to go for a swim without it coming off. I think a really good thing, because I know a lot of people will still be nervous, try having a bath, putting your head under water, not your whole head, put the back of your head where your hair is, and just leave it there for a minute or two, and then pull your head out, okay? Now, if you do that, see if it comes off or not. I can guarantee you it won't. And that can be a really nice tester for you to show you that you can go swimming. So once again, a test can be just putting the back of your head in a bath, okay, just the up to here, so that your hair is submerged. Leave it for a minute or two, and then just pull your head out again, and I guarantee you that the hair will still be stuck, or the system will still be stuck to your scalp. Okay, I hope that's useful. Question 4. When I have a girlfriend, can she touch it? This is a really good question, and it's not one I have a simple answer for. So with me and my girlfriend, she knows that I wear a system, so she doesn't get any weird surprise if she's feeling through my hair and she feels a bit sticking up or something, because she knows that I wear a unit. With a girl that you don't know, she might think it's a little bit weird when she feels your hair. However, she probably won't ask anything about it. And I think it's up to you whether you want to share that information with her. If it's someone you're dating or seeing, maybe not a good idea. If it's someone you're in a long-term relationship with, I don't want to be giving relationship advice, but good relationships thrive on honesty and open communication. So if you feel you can be open with your girlfriend about that, I can guarantee it will strengthen your relationship. But yeah, if it's a drunk night out and you hook up with a girl, I wouldn't worry about telling her. She probably won't even notice. Question 5, can I comb it flat back? Yes, I did this for about 4 months over summer, but I would say that either make sure you have a lace front or at least a thin skin poly front, because otherwise it can look a bit fake if you comb it back. Make sure you have a good density that matches up quite well with your age. I did the comb back look with a Swiss lace base. It was fine, no one picked up on it at all, looked really natural. It does mean you probably have to do up the front with glue probably more often, because the front's going to be exposed the whole time. But yes, it is absolutely possible. Okay, so about Newlacecu, how can I order the system? Really easy. So basically, you go onto newlacecu.com. There is an option saying male hair prosthesis. Can't pronounce that properly, but if you're a male, go on that. There's also a female option there, and then it will show you all the different systems that you can order. So you'll have a Swiss lace. There's a poly thin skin you can buy. There's a Victory stock, I think. French lace, and then there's mixtures of French lace with poly at the back. There's so many options, guys, there really are. And then when you get to the point where you've decided which base you want, then there'll be drop-down options where you can select the colour that you want, the density that you want. You can also have the system customised to make it to your measurements. You can make that as well. And then when you've pressed order, there's also a coupon code box, and enter in there Newlacecu20 and you'll get your 20% discount. Okay? It really is that easy, guys. This is the last question, by the way. What is a stock system? Okay, so a stock system is actually one that I'm wearing right now. A stock system is basically a base which is created to a specific density, to a specific size. So it won't be customized to your particular hairline. It will literally be a specific length, a specific width, a specific density. It won't have a specific amount of greys or anything like that. Those are the more customized systems. So stock is literally produced to a specific size, specific density, specific color, and that is literally a stock system. A custom system is where you basically make specific requests to make sure it matches the size of your hairline, as well as if you have greys, you can order a certain percentage of grey in the hair. You can change the density, you can make it 80%, 70%, 100%, 110%. These do take a bit longer, custom systems, to produce, But if you're looking for a really specified, customized design, custom's better. But if you're looking for something a bit more general, stock is absolutely fine. So I hope you found that helpful, guys. If you are interested in getting a system from Newlacecu, hop on over to their website, make sure you get that 20% discount, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye.